A partition such as half wall or the island counter in an open kitchen plan provides a semi-open layouts that combines the benefit of openness with some separations, and also it gives a beautiful look like you can see in this video. It has some beautiful advantages like allows the light to flow freely and keeps the space feeling spacious, and also make your kitchen more beautiful and stylish, and keeps the space feeling like while subtly defining zones between the kitchen, dining and living areas. Also it provides a partial privacy and hides the mess, so conceals the clutter, dirty dishes or cooking from view, especially useful when entertaining your family members sitting in the living room. Also it controls the noise, grease and odor, so reduce the spread of cooking smells, steams and sounds into living areas, particularly with the glass or solid partitions. Also it adds the functionality, so many designs double as a breakfast counter, storage shelves or sitting or display areas, enhancing the usability and smaller homes. Also it creates a stylish focal points, improves the airflow, light filtrations and demarcates the space without full walls. So friends, there you can see it has beautiful partition designs, and while creating you should remember some important points or purchasing. So before installing a partitions, consider these factors to ensure it fits your lifestyle, space and your budget. Always check the space layout constraints, so measure carefully. Partitions can make the small areas feel cramped into your bulky, so ensure adequate walkways and check if it is load bearing. Consult a professional, so it should be comfort at 40 to 45 inches. Ventilation and odor control, so even with the partitions, invest it in a powerful range hood partial barriers help but don't fully contain the smells like a closed kitchen. And always consider about some maintenance and cleanliness, so choose easy to clean materials like wood or glass. So since kitchens great greasy, avoid integrated designs if you prefer the low upkeep. And always consider the budget and installation, so factor in cost for materials, professional installation, any structural changes, or the modular or freestanding options are cheaper and reversible. Light and airflow, so prioritize the transform or perforated designs to preserve the natural light and ventilations. So consider the removable or adjustable partitions if you need might change. So well chosen partition strikes a balance, making your open kitchen more practical and inviting without losing its social appeal. So friends, open kitchen partitions are the most beautiful designs. So you can that are not only enhance your living room interior but also total your house interior designs, and it gives a premium look to your house. And when you're planning for an open kitchen, always consider about the cabinets so that can match to your kitchen interior designs. So friends, in this video I'm going to share some cabinets links you can check out for the latest price and specifications. So friends, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section, or if you want more details you can contact to my mail ID which I given in the description. So friends, if you like our videos then please like this video, share with your friends, and if you're new to my channel don't forget to subscribe my channel friends, because in this channel we will bring the latest and modern interior tips and ideas for your homes. And so please support my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.